Hey, this is Matt Scott. We're here in Dallas at CEDIA 2015 in the Torus booth.
I'm Kevin Main with Torus Power, and we're here to show you some of the new gear that we're launching at CEDIA.
So we've come over to this is an all-in-one panel, correct?
Yeah, Matt, this is our all-in-one panel. So this was developed initially for the recording studio industry.
Okay.
So the idea here is the recording studio needs to have the lowest possible noise floor,
Right.
and purest possible electrical circuitry in the room. We do that with the large isolation transformer at the bottom of this unit, but then we've got a panel board built into this where you can take each circuit, run it to the outlets in the recording studio environment.
Okay.
And every circuit in the environment is going to be isolated and protected.
Right.
Now, what's happened with our business is this has really caught on in the custom installation trade for us. So custom integrators have been approaching us to buy this unit where they're doing a big theater room and then maybe a media room, a couple different locations within a home.
Right.
So this has really started to become a very strong CI application for us.
Okay, so this is something that, when we're in those homes, those facilities, and looking at multiple systems throughout the space, this gives us an option to have that sure protection throughout all of those spaces, centralized, without going and grabbing individual pieces for each individual room.
Exactly. The reason that works out well in the custom installation environment is you're using one large transformer rather than multiple smaller transformers.
Of course.
And that's going to give you much greater benefit in terms of the performance of the system. So one transformer, bigger dynamic capability, much better performance, and you're running it all from one location.
Right. So not only are you combining it all to that centralized location, but we're getting a much greater level of performance out of the entire system as a whole by centralizing it.
That's precisely it. Of course, we're building to the standards of recording studio in terms of the noise floor.
Right.
So we're as good as it gets in terms of the noise floor and the capability of our products.
Perfect.
Just bringing it to the custom installation market, and it's been well received.
Now, is this a product that integrators need to work directly with you on to design to specifically suit their needs? Or is it more of a, I don't want to say an off-the-shelf product, but an off-the-shelf product?
We would get involved with the integrators in terms of specifying the need for this type of product, so we would be involved in the job very early on.
Right.
The integrators would typically be looking for some support from us in terms of what is the best solution for the project that they're doing. And then we do have a number of integrators who are just, they're doing these, they like the solution, and they're speccing them into jobs and bringing us repeat business for this year.
Excellent. All right, so for more information on the all-in-ones,
www.toruspower.com.